Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your LinkedIn Premium free trial. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and go to linkedin.com. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on your premium features right here in the left panel, or go to the top right and click on your profile. Now click on premium features. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel and look for resources. In here, click on manage your subscriptions. Okay, just click on it and wait for it to load once more. Now, in here, you can go ahead and click on cancel free trial. Now, if you can't see it in this page, just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on overview. Okay, click on it. And just go ahead and go to the right side and click on premium career. Okay, click on it. Now in here, you'll be able to find the cancel free trial button as well. Just click on it and then click on continue to cancel, confirm cancel, and select the reason. For example, it's too expensive, and hit on submit. And it says here your subscription has been canceled and you can still enjoy premium until your billing ends, which is a month. Okay, just hit on done. And after that, you're good to go. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.